If you need to remove a payment method from your HBO Max account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your billing information is updated correctly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the HBO Max website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon or the menu. Look for account or settings to enter your account management options. Step 3. Manage payment methods. In account settings, find the section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Remove payment method. Locate the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or remove it. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Confirm changes. After removing the payment method, ensure that the changes are saved. You may want to check back in the payment section to verify that the method has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on HBO Max. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for assistance.